Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, my name is Tehzeeb Khan from Paradise Hope. So guys, you can see I am getting one error. Hooks can use within a canvas component. So here I am doing something like this. So here is I am trying to use animation hooks. If you are trying to use any 3GS hook, so might be you are getting this error. Okay, when I comment out this, so now I am not getting any kind of error, right? So why it is happening? So that error want to tell you, you need to use hooks inside the canvas component. So this is my canvas component. So I am using this hook, but it is not inside a canvas, because first of all they are calculating, they are using the hooks inside outside of that canvas, because after that everything in the calculation, it is whatever is happening here, then it will be returned into canvas component. So it is the outside of the canvas, so you should use inside of the canvas. So how you can use? So first of all, there is a one trick. You need to remove this canvas from here. You need to add any fragment here, like I am using here fragment. So where I am using this class, I am using in a app.js. So one way is I can use here canvas, right? Canvas here also I need to add canvas. There is one way also. So now you can see my code is working fine, because I am okay. I need to comment out now. There is no error, because I am trying to use this hooks inside a canvas. First of all, my this component will be load. After loading, they will load this component, right? So that hooks inside a canvas. It is already canvas is loaded, right? So now inside that we are trying to use hooks. So there is our hooks, right? So now it is working fine. So I need to show you. So here you can see that is my canvas is working fine. I can show you also in console. Here I write one name variable, name structure. There is a name of animations. It's undefined, whatever it is, but now it is working fine. So there is another way you can do it. You can now I'm control Z everything. Now if I control Z, now they are saying canvas is not part of 3 namespace, right? So you need to use once your canvas component in your project, right? Now it is gone. So one another way, if you want to use in a canvas, so what you need to do, you need to uh, cut this whole thing from here. Okay, I cut this. Now I make another component, right? So I am trying to like load a character. Okay, so here I am doing like this. So here I am loading my gltf model. I am trying to use my hooks. Here is my hooks I am trying to use. Now I am, after this I am trying to return this all everything. So I return what I need will return. Okay, I will return this from here. Okay, just a minute. Yes, now I will call here my character. Now it is I guess okay, there is one error. Use relative call to the inside function character either the React component. Actually, my spelling, it should be capital letter. So now it should be in a capital letter. Okay. Now I am trying to do. So here I am not getting the model just because why actually I am not. Okay. So here I need to return like this. Now okay, so here I am getting this model. Okay, so I hope you understand how you can solve this hooks inside a canvas component if I am control Z everything, or if I use another hook like instead of this I am trying to use frame hook. I am also getting the same error because it is a outside of the canvas, because it is a render first, it is a calculation in outside of the canvas, then they will send to the canvas, but it is a wrong way. You need to uh, calculate every, or you need to use canvas inside a component. Okay, so if I am here, okay, just a minute, I need to save this and now I need to reload. Okay, so there is a might be one error. Actually I need to control Z everything. So here as my, if I comment out this, I am trying to use one, uh, actually this is 3JS based. Now now I am getting the use ref, sorry, use frame. Actually use ref is a uh, this is the react based hooks. If we are using, or we are trying to use 3JS based hooks, you will definitely get one error. Okay, so here you can see I am also getting this error here. So please like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. I hope you solve your issue. So nice to meet you.